guys, welcome to AKA Our 80s Life, where we're all about the 80s. And today we have a special guest here in the studio. Please welcome our friend Chris.
Hey.
From the Chris Experience. And we are going to be doing an 80s craft today. So who remembers these from their childhood in the 80s? This is the Make It and Bake It kit where you can make a sun catcher. Now, I grew up doing these. Did you guys do these as kids?
Oh, yeah.
In the 80s?
I never did one.
You've never done this?
No.
Oh, okay. We have a first timer in the house.
First timer right here.
I didn't realize that.
Or if I did, I do not remember it.
Well, Joanne's had these out for their summer kids crafts, and they was like, buy one, get two free. So I bought 3 of these sun catcher kits. And
what do we have? We have a taco.
We've got a taco.
We got a sun.
Sun and a roller skating ice cream cone. This is the one I want to do. How about you guys?
Which one do you want, Chris?
Well, I'm from Arizona, so I think it's fitting that I do the sun.
The sun.
I like tacos. So.
All right.
That would be fitting too.
Yeah. Okay, let's get started. So this is a really simple craft. All you need is, of course, the Make It Bake It kit. You need some pans that can go in the oven because we're going to bake these. You need some foil to line your pan so it doesn't stick. And then you're going to need some tweezers. We'll be using the tweezers because these crystals are really tiny. And I do remember getting frustrated as a kid sometimes because they would get underneath the frame and then it would mess it up. But we're going to go ahead and open these, and then I like to pour my crystals into these little cups or just whatever kind of bowl you have at home.
So it says it's for ages 8 and up.
We're up.
Okay, we're up.
I think I can handle it.
We qualified.
Yes.
And it also says do not put this in the microwave, kids. These go in the oven only. Finished filling our little creations here, and we had a whole lot of extra crystals, so Chris had an idea. What are we gonna do, Chris?
So Abby got a cookie cutter in the shape of a heart because she doesn't have any cool ones. So we're going.
I have other ones. I just picked that.
We're just gonna pour all the leftover stuff right in there. No rhyme or reason.
Okay. That's such a dude thing to do. Dude crafts with Chris.
Dude crafts. Well, for one, this isn't a dude craft.
No, but you're making it into a dude craft because you're mixing them all. See, I would have never thought to do that. Mad scientist at work.
I'm mixing.
Okay.
Making a little mess. Not too bad.
I'll forgive you. So do you think it's gonna turn brown, or do you think they'll be like speckledy? Like, will the colors all mix to form?
I don't
Ooh,
think
it
they'll.
looks pretty.
Yeah, I don't think they'll like blend together, I think they'll just be speckly.
Yeah, that actually looks pretty cool. Whoa, he's going for it. These are going to be really thick ones. Hopefully they'll come out of the cookie cutters. You think? Famous last words. Okay. All right, so we're getting ready to go put these in the oven. We've got our Make It Bake It creations and Chris's experiment here.
Alright.
All right, now who gets to carry it upstairs?
I guess I will.
Oh, no pressure.
Volunteered me for it.
No pressure. Wait, make sure he's got a clear path. Gosh, no pressure.
Someone's got to carry
No.
that one.
Oh, yes.
Keith, you can't mess that one up.
Oh, be careful. Be careful. Okay, we made it upstairs. Good job, Chris.
Thank you.
All right, we've got the oven at 375. Going to
Those are like this.
carefully place it in there. Ah, it doesn't reach. I mean, it doesn't fit.
What are we going to do?
Easy. We might have to just do a couple. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. We'll be back. Okay, they're starting to melt. It's been about 10 minutes. And you can see they're not quite melted yet. They're still kind of chunky. So we'll give it 5 more minutes and we'll check back. Okay, we just took them out of the oven and we're gonna let these guys cool. They turned out really cute. And here are our experimental ones. They're actually really pretty. I like the colors. We're not sure if we're gonna be able to get them out of the molds. We'll have to wait till they cool and we'll let you know. Oh, look at that, it did come out. How pretty. Well, boys, thanks for playing along with my crafting segment today.
That was fun.
And
It was fun.
thank you for joining us in the studio for crafts. Here is the Make It and Bake It kits that we remembered from our childhood. Still fun?
Definitely.
Still fun.
Mildly fun?
Probably fun. A lesson in patience, but I would definitely say it's probably for more like 13 or 14 and up, and not 8.
Not 8.
I agree.
Mom and Dad will end up doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of challenging for little kids, but it was a fun craft and I think they turned out beautiful. See you next time, and in case we don't see ya, good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good night.